Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My mobile repairing course right now is available in all languages, which means that if you speak French, you speak Hindi, or you speak any type of language, I mean official languages, then you are able to get the course. You understand? So there have been a lot of people right here who have not been able to join my course because they don't really understand English. So this is your chance. And for those who have been trying to join the course and not knowing how to join, it's quite simple. You can just send me a message using the number on the screen right here, and I will give you more information about the course on WhatsApp and how you are going to join. And for those of you who do not know about it, here is your chance. So in this mobile repairing course, I teach a complete mobile repairing course which start from the basic to the professional level of troubleshooting each topic that you see on the screen right here. So the mobile repairing course has PDF files, then they have tutorial videos like those that you see on my YouTube channel. And let me break this down for those of you who don't speak English. So how can you get this course in your own language? So when you pay for the course, then I translate all the PDF files because they are not that hard to translate when compared to the tutorial videos of the course. I translate all the PDF files to your language. You understand? Like I said, all the topics as their PDF files. I translate the PDF files to your language. And when it comes to the videos, which is optional, yeah, because the PDF file covers up all the topics in the course, so the videos are optional. So you can decide to go through the videos or not. So for the videos that are really hard to fully translate from English to another language, I upload the videos on my YouTube channel as private videos. You understand? Because when I upload them to my YouTube channel as private videos, I'm able to attach subtitles of any language to those videos. So that is how those of you who don't speak English can access the tutorial videos of my course. So like I said, the tutorial videos are something that you can decide to watch or not, because all the information that you will see in the videos are in the PDF files. So watching both of them, reading the PDF files, then watching the videos will give you more knowledge and open your mind to really understand what each topic is about. So this topic, I detail down each topic, then I give details on how each component functions, then how you can troubleshoot any type of mobile phone problem step by step. You understand? The schedule is free. I said the schedule to be free because when I first started the course, I set a time in which everyone needs to attend a class, but a lot of people were missing the class, so I decided to make the schedule free in such a way that you can access it anytime that you want. You can have any of your topic in which you want to study anytime that you want. There are a lot of people who have been getting really confused because they always come late, and I try to make everything personal. So you decide when you want to go through any topic, and I send you the topic, then you go through it. Like I said, everything is being detailed. So when I send you any topic, then you go through it. You decide when you can come back to me to ask questions about the things that you have gone through, and I explain everything clear to you in such a way that the topic will be clear and you will be able to move to another topic when you want. So it's not about me setting the time that it's supposed to be in this particular time, because I know that you have things to do and you might fail to come this time. So I decided to make it so that anyone will be able to attend it anytime that they want. You understand? So if you are ready to join this course and to learn everything, I believe that if you have been watching my YouTube videos, then you will really want to join this. You understand? Because this, like I said, is very detailed. You want to join this, make sure that you send me a message using the number on the screen right here, and I will give you more information about the course. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, just make sure you click that subscribe button, because I will upload more tutorial videos on my YouTube channel as well. So thank you and see you soon.